Alright guys, I'm going to run this for Daniel here. He's got this nice Hank Aaron autographed 8x11 photo. 10 spots, $10 a piece. We're going to go live. 1:16 p.m. Sunday, March 11th. Go back, we'll take live. Check the timestamp, 1:16 p.m. 1:16 p.m. We are going to grab the list. 10 spots. And we are going to drop it into random. The 10 entries, Jake on the bottom and Matt on top. We're going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 12. We're going 12 times. Good luck. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 11 times. Dice shows a 12. Next click wins. Good luck. And 12. Congrats. Spot number 1, Matt Torres. You are the winner. Get in touch with Daniel and get your picture. We are done 1:17 p.m. We will go back. Type done on the post. We are done 1:17 p.m. 1:17 p.m. Here is the timestamp and the verification code.